Interserver.net has been providing design services for the last 16 years. Although the technology has changed from the time we first opened in 1999. Our core principles of quality service and support have remained the same. Over the years, our company has expanded its product offerings to include dedicated servers, colocation, and other managed services. As a technology and product innovator, Interserver is able to provide its innumerable customers with innovative products and services designed to complement their existing businesses. We serve customers ranging from individual freelancers to Fortune 500 companies in many countries. Over the years, Interserver has built a solid reputation for our commitment to security, reliability, technical expertise, all while providing outstanding customer support. We aim to treat our clients well and strive to provide around-the-clock service, comprehensive resource, and all the tools needed to run your business. 30-day money-back guarantee. Price lock for life of account. 99.9% uptime. On United States State Center. 24/7 support staff via ticket, live chat and phone. For questions and inquiries, please contact erin@advertisepurple.com. Coupon code 1 cent. Web hosting $01 for the first month's web hosting. VPS and Cloud $01 per VPS slide.